Welcome to Fast Lane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of AI predictive maintenance, an innovative approach that is revolutionizing the way we maintain and repair machinery. But first, let's talk about the problem at hand. Traditional maintenance methods are often reactive, meaning we wait until something breaks down before fixing it. This not only leads to costly repairs and downtime, but it also puts workers at risk. This is where AI predictive maintenance comes in. By utilizing advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI can analyze real-time data from sensors and equipment to predict when maintenance is needed. This proactive approach not only saves time and money, but it also increases safety by identifying potential issues before they become major problems. So, what are the key technologies behind AI predictive maintenance? The first is machine learning. This technology allows AI to continuously learn from data and improve its predictions over time. The more data that is fed into the system, the better it becomes at identifying patterns and predicting maintenance needs. Next, we have the Internet of Things, IoT. This refers to the network of connected devices and sensors that gather data and send it to AI systems for analysis. With the help of IoT, AI can monitor equipment in real time and detect any abnormalities or potential failures. Another crucial technology is big data analytics. With the massive amount of data collected from sensors and equipment, it's essential to have a system that can process and analyze it efficiently. AI is able to quickly identify patterns and anomalies in the data, allowing for more accurate predictions and faster response times. Last but not least, we have cloud computing. This technology enables AI to store and process large amounts of data, making it possible to analyze real-time data from multiple sources simultaneously. This is crucial for industries with complex and interconnected machinery, such as manufacturing and transportation. So, why should you care about AI predictive maintenance? Well, for starters, it can save your company a lot of money. By predicting maintenance needs, you can avoid costly repairs and downtime. Plus, it makes the maintenance process more efficient, freeing up valuable time and resources for your team. But it's not just about saving money. AI predictive maintenance also improves safety by identifying potential hazards before they happen. This not only protects your workers, but also ensures the smooth operation of your equipment. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. If you want to stay ahead of the game and learn more about the latest technologies, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.